How about that? The right of the people to be secured in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and with no warrant shall issue, but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the persons and place to be searched, and the persons or things to be seized. Now let me see. First off, we have the right of the people to be secured in their persons. So now that with a comma. So that is first off, that is declaring that the right of the people have a right to their person. So that means you have a right to your body. So since I own my own body, no, I'm secure to be not searched unless shall not be violated, comma, and then it goes into and no warrant shall issue. So that means, okay, now we're talking about when there is no warrant issued. Upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation. So now I can interpret that as being a tattoo, as an oath or affirmation on your person, because we've already declared that you own your body. And so now, since there's an oath on your person via a tattoo, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and persons or things to be seized. So now you're talking about, so since I have a tattoo on my body, now you can search and seize whatever that tattoo says on me? That is bullshit. That is indentured servitude. That is slavery to the state. What the fuck is that? And this is the 4th Amendment to the United States Constitution. Are you kidding me? How many times are you going to contradict yourself in this fucking Constitution? What happened to just having the security of not being searched or seized without a warrant? And now, let's talk about the FISA court. The FISA court has, which is a secret court that issued, excuse me, a secret court that was issued, that issues secret search warrants that evidence, there is no, there's only one side of the story being told to this judge. There's no defendants like attorney or like ghost like defense attorney or something standing there to argue a case, even if it's just on basis of merits, whether you don't even know the specifics of the case, just arguing on merits of the law. There is no opposing view when the FISA court happened, when a warrant is issued via the FISA court. And most of our warrants nowadays, especially on the war on drug, are issued via the FISA court. So they're not even doing search warrants and shit. they're issuing secret search warrants, which 99.9% of them get passed. Very, 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 very few. I can't even remember the number. I would say like 10 or less. Like it's tiny. And then there's which the FISA court now is like a equivalent of a Supreme Court because it's secret. You don't even know what their rulings are. When they issue a ruling, you don't get to see it. It's not public domain. What's up with that? Do we consent as the people as to being governed by a secret court that issues secret warrants? And then the FISA court also has its own fucking counter ruling against damn, what is that called? It has its own post down.